how's it going? Okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. So today's episode, okay, will be a very simple plug and play that everyone out there can do. Right, so as you know, the BMW F10 stock sound system is not that great. Alright, and it's actually a very simple change, okay, for the subwoofer. For those of you who have missed the first few episodes of our sound system upgrade, okay, you can actually check it out, all those videos. Okay, we actually swap out the door speakers, okay, added additional tweeters as well, right? And for this episode, okay, we'll be doing the subwoofer. Right, so before we start, okay, for those of you who are first time here, okay, please remember to smash the like button, remember to subscribe. Alright, so we'll show you how to get it done, okay. It's actually very simple. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's a very simple DIY. Okay, total time we took is less than about 2 hours. Okay, because it is our first time removing the seats and removing what is underneath the seats. Okay, so a pro tip for you guys, remember, do not remove the whole seat out of the car, because there are some wires that are attached to the car seat, right, and it actually affects the airbags and stuff. Okay, so please take note of that. Okay, just tilt it to a certain angle and you know you have more than enough access and clearance to actually remove the subwoofers. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please remember to like and subscribe. Alright, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.